think he just took the money?
There might be a possibility like we are not like putting a blame on that person, that yeah, there might be chances like he took the money from your account, and by not giving you that information that I took the money from your tax account and I filed your income tax less. There might be a possibility, and at this point of time, even if you go and contact him stating that or blaming him that hey, you did the mistake and you took some money from my tax account, I got a call from CRA, instead of accepting the mistake, he will put all the blame on you. The reason behind, if he comes to know that we have all the rights and authority, the government have all the rights and authority to start with the legal procedure under that person's name by taking him in a federal custody, putting him behind the bars, even canceling the license, even charging him with a penalty amount more than $20,000 to $30,000. So to go ahead and save himself, he will put all the blame on you, sir. That you will be the only person who will be responsible for your tax mistakes, sir.
And I'm responsible for it, I guess, like no one else is. So what do I do? What do I do, man?
See, sir, the reason I called you today because when I got your case paper, I did a background check on your name, and after doing that, I found out that you are a good person, you are a genuine person, you never been picked up, or there is no criminal records out for your name. I mean to say you are a law-abiding citizen. Am I right, sir?
I mean, I think I do. I might have a charge from a while ago when I was younger, but I mean, yeah, I try to be a good person.
Yeah, that is the reason I thought I should give you a call and make you inform that why a good person like you, Matthew, was trying to commit an offense. Like, be honest with me. So, like, have you done this thing intentionally? You that like you thought that CRA would never be getting the information that yeah, I'm like trying to save the money in your taxes.
What should I do? Like, should I run? Like, should I just not pay, or like how do I make this right?
See, at this point of time, Matthew, I can see that CRA have already put the money as a loss and to be stolen by you and press criminal charges against your name. There are 3 criminal allegations out for your name, sir. Count 1, violation of federal income tax. Count 2, malicious uttering of a commercial instrument. And count 3, trying to do a tax fraud and trying to cheat the government in your tax account. If you really have a good intention to go ahead and take care of this matter, Matthew, then I can do one thing for you. I can go ahead and talk to my senior treasury officer from the income tax court. I can try to speak to them and try to talk to them. By looking to your past record, if they give you the last and final opportunity, then only you can go ahead and pay this money off. But I cannot give you any promise or any assurance. So, Matthew, do you want me to go ahead and talk to my senior officer for you?
How long will that take?
Just like to a moment, sir.
Please, yeah, could you? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, thank you. What a piece of shit.
Okay, thank you for holding a line. You there, Matthew?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, like, can you switch off your speakerphone now?
Yeah, I'm off a speakerphone now.
I just spoke to my senior officer about you, and what they told me is that like they want to have a conversation with you. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and connect this call to one of my senior officer for you. Okay?
Okay, should like which? Okay.
Call for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is Officer John Davenport, ID number 12699. How can I help you today?
I was just connected to you by one of your officers saying I needed to talk to you.
Yes, can I know your name? What's your name?
Would he has all my information? No, it's Matt. Oh, please.
All right, I'm talking to Matthew, right?
Yes, that's me.
All right, and I believe my officer have explained you each and everything about the case, right?
He said I needed to speak with you. What do I do?
Yes, so let me just go ahead and just make sure everything is being explained to you perfectly before we go ahead and discuss about this, okay?
Okay.
So I believe my officer have explained you each and everything about this case in detail, correct?
I just spent like 20 minutes on the phone with them. It's pretty clear.
I'm asking you a simple question. Did you got everything what he explained you? What is this case is all about? Do you understand that or you don't understand that?
I understand, sir.
Yes. And I also believe he have explained you the legal consequences which will happen once the case goes to court, right?
I understand.
Alright. So now what do you want to do exactly? What is your intentions are?
I don't want to go to court. I don't want to be charged.
See, as this now, your payment option is already closed, okay? And second thing is that the CRA is not at all looking for your money. They want to file the lawsuit against your name, take you to court, make you found guilty, and make you pay the penalty of $25,000 in court. These are the legal consequences. But if you have one last chance, then we can go ahead and do one thing for you. There is an option which is called an OOCR, which stands for an out-of-court restitution, where you will be given the one last chance to take care of this matter outside the court. Okay?
How do I do that?
See, for that, first of all, the amount which you owe is $4,964.32. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So this is the amount which is pending on your name. So do you have this money with you in order to take care of this matter?
I might be able to ask if I can borrow some. I don't have all of it.
How much you have exactly with you?
Maybe 1,500.
Alright, so do one thing. Hold the line, okay? Let me go ahead, let me talk to the Attorney General first. Let me explain them about your situation and your problem. And let me see if they can give you a chance, then how they will accept your payment, okay?
Please do.
Okay, just hold the line.
What bullshit.
Alright, thanks for your patience over there, Matthew.
Okay.
Alright, can you give me your cell phone number? Because right now we need to talk to you on your cell phone.
Why?
Because basically I spoke to the Attorney Generals, I've explained them about your situation and your problem, and I told them that you need a one last chance to take care of this matter. So what they are saying is that they are going to give you one last chance, okay? But there are 3 conditions which you need to follow.
Okay.
Condition 1, you need to be online on this recorded phone call until and unless you take care of this matter. You don't need to disconnect the phone call, because once you disconnect the phone call, the non-bailable arrest warrant will be issued and the officers will arrest you
Oh my.
and help you.
Like, are they coming right now?
They're on the way to arrest you, sir. So I want you to leave the place where are you right now. So I need your cell phone number so that we can be in touch with you all the time until and unless we cancel the arrest warrant on your name.
I'm kind of in like a little bunker. I don't think they'll get me. There's like 5 people that they have to get in front of in order to come into my area because it's locked. Like, it's not available to the general public. So I think I'm okay.
Then how are you going to take care of this then? Because you need to go out right now in order to go ahead and purchase the tax vouchers. If you want to take care of this matter outside the court, you need to have to purchase tax vouchers so that you can take care of this matter.
Where do I get tax vouchers though? Like, where do I go for them?
You can get to your nearest store like Walmart, any pharmacy.
And I just ask for vouchers?
I will give you that details step by step. First of all, give me your cell phone number so that I can call you in your cell phone number and you can leave from the place where are you right now and you can head towards the stores.
But I only have $1,500. I can't even afford all the vouchers.
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and purchase the $1,500 vouchers so that we can put your case on hold and we can cancel the arrest warrant. And the remaining balance, we can give you a payment plan.
Okay. And then, so I buy $1,500 vouchers and then I'm on the payment plan for the rest? How long do I have?
You have 6 months.
Oh, I can't afford that in 6 months. I've got to buy diapers.
See, that is the max what we can do for you.
What if I don't do the max?
Then you will be getting arrested and you can deal it in court. Very simple.
Hey, listen, why don't you take your make-believe fucking police and your piece of shit call center and fuck right off, you piece of shit?
Sorry?
I said, why don't you take your make-believe cops, your make-believe CRA badge numbers? Huh. Unbelievable. I can't believe they're doing that to people. I hope nobody falls for this stuff. Think he just took the money?
There might be a possibility we are not putting a blame on that person, that there might be chances he took the money from your account and by not giving you that information that I took the money from your tax account and I filed your income tax less. There might be a possibility, and at this point of time, even if you go and contact him stating that or blaming him that, hey, you did the mistake and you took some money from my tax account, I got a call from CRA, instead of accepting the mistake, he will put all the blame on you. The reason behind, if he comes to know that we have all the rights and authority, the government have all the rights and authority to start with the legal procedure under that person's name by taking him in a federal custody, putting him behind the bars, even cancelling the license, even charging him with a penalty amount more than $20,000 to $30,000. So to go ahead and save himself, he will put all the blame on you, sir. That you will be the only person who will be responsible for your tax mistakes, sir.
And I'm responsible for it, I guess, like no one else is.
Mm-hmm.
So what do I do? What do I do, man?
See, sir, the reason I called you today because when I got your case paper, I did a background check on your name, and after doing that, I found out that you are a good person, you are a genuine person, you never been picked up or there is no criminal records out for your name. I mean to say you are a law-abiding citizen. Am I right, sir?
I mean, I think I do. I might have a charge from a while ago when I was younger, but I mean, yeah, I try to be a good person.
Yeah, that is the reason I thought I should give you a call and make you informed that why a good person like you, Matthew, was trying to commit an offense. Be honest with me. So, have you done this thing intentionally? You thought that CRA would never be getting the information that I'm trying to save the money in your taxes.
What should I do? Should I run? Should I just not pay, or how do I make this right?
See, at this point of time, Matthew, I can see that CRA have already put the money as a loss and to be stolen by you and press criminal charges against your name. There are 3 criminal allegations out for your name, sir. Count 1, violation of federal income tax. Count 2, malicious uttering of a commercial instrument. And count 3, trying to do a tax fraud and trying to cheat the government in your tax account. If you really have a good intention to go and take care of this matter, Matthew, then I can do one thing for you. I can go ahead and talk to my senior treasury officer from the income tax court. I can try to speak to them and try to talk to them. By looking to your past record, if they give you the last and final opportunity, then only you can go ahead and pay this money off. But I cannot give you any promise or any assurance. So Matthew, do you want me to go ahead and talk to my senior officer for you?
How long will that take?
Just like to a moment, sir.
Please, yeah, could you? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, thank you. What a piece of shit.
Okay, thank you for holding line. You there, Matthew?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, like can you switch off your speakerphone now?
Yeah, I'm off the speakerphone now.
I just spoke to my senior officer about you, and what they told me is that like they want to have a conversation with you. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and connect this call to one of my senior officer for you. Okay?
Okay, should like which? Okay.
Call for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is Officer John Davenport, ID number 12699. How can I help you today?
I was just connected to you by one of your officers saying I needed to talk to you.
Yes, can I know your name? What's your name?
Would he has all my information? No, it's Matt. Oh, please.
All right, I'm talking to Matthew, right?
Yes, that's me.
All right, and I believe my officer have explained you each and everything about the case, right?
He said I needed to speak with you. What do I do?
Yes, so let me just go ahead and just make sure everything is being explained to you perfectly before we go ahead and discuss about this, okay?
Okay.
So I believe my officer have explained you each and everything about this case in detail, correct?
I just spent like 20 minutes on the phone with them. It's pretty clear.
I'm asking you a simple question. Did you got everything what he explained you? What this case is all about? Do you understand that or you don't understand that?
I understand, sir.
Yes. And I also believe he have explained you the legal consequences which will happen once the case goes to court, right?
I understand.
Alright. So now what do you want to do exactly? What is your intentions are?
I don't want to go to court. I don't want to be charged.
See, as if now, your payment option is already closed, okay? And second thing is that the CRA is not at all looking for your money. They want to file the lawsuit against your name, take you to court, make you found guilty, and make you pay the penalty of $25,000 in court. These are the legal consequences. But if you have a one last chance, then we can go ahead and do one thing for you. There is an option which is called an OOCR, which stands for an out-of-court restitution, where you will be given a one last chance to take care of this matter outside the court. Okay?
How do I do that?
See, for that, first of all, the amount which you owe is $4,964.32. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So this is the amount which is pending on your name. So do you have this money with you in order to take care of this matter?
I might be able to ask if I can borrow some. I don't have all of it.
So how much you have exactly with you?
Maybe 1,500?
Alright, so do one thing. Hold the line, okay? Let me go ahead. Let me talk to the Attorney General first. Let me explain them about your situation and your problem. And let me see if they can give you a chance, then how they will accept your payment, okay?
Please do.
Okay, just hold the line.
What bullshit.
Alright, thanks for your patience over there, Matthew.
Okay.
Alright, can you give me your cell phone number? Because right now we need to talk to you on your cell phone.
Why?
Because basically I spoke to the Attorney Generals. I've explained them about your situation and your problem. And I told them that you need a one last chance to take care of this matter. So what they are saying is that they are going to give you one last chance. Okay? But there are 3 conditions which you need to follow.
Okay.
Condition 1, you need to be online on this recorded phone call until and unless you take care of this matter. You don't need to disconnect the phone call, because once you disconnect the phone call, the non-bailable arrest warrant will be issued and the officers will arrest you
Oh my.
and help you.
Like, are they coming right now?
They're on the way to arrest you, sir. So I want you to leave the place where are you right now. So I need your cell phone number so that we can be in touch with you all the time until and unless we cancel the arrest warrant on your name.
I'm kind of in like a little bunker. I don't think they'll get me. There's like 5 people that they have to get in front of in order to come into my area because it's locked. Like, it's not available to the general public. So I think I'm okay.
Then how are you going to take care of this then? Because you need to go out right now in order to go ahead and purchase the tax vouchers. If you want to take care of this matter outside the court, you need to have to purchase tax vouchers so that you can take care of this matter.
Where do I get tax vouchers though? Like, where do I go for them?
You can get it to your nearest store like Walmart, any pharmacy.
And I just ask for vouchers?
I will give you that details step by step. First of all, give me your cell phone number so that I can call you in your cell phone number and you can leave from the place where are you right now and you can head toward the stores.
But I only have $1,500. I can't even afford all the vouchers.
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and purchase the $1,500 vouchers so that we can put your case on hold and we can cancel the arrest warrant, and the remaining balance we can give you a payment plan.
Okay. And then, so I buy $1,500 vouchers and then I'm on the payment plan for the rest? How long do I have?
You have 6 months.
Oh, I can't afford that in 6 months. I've got to buy diapers.
See, that is the max what we can do for you.
What if I don't do the max?
Then you will be getting arrested and you can deal it in court. Very simple.
Hey, listen, why don't you take your make-believe fucking police and your piece of shit call center and fuck right off, you piece of shit?
Sorry?
I said, why don't you take your make-believe cops, your make-believe CRA badge numbers, Unbelievable. I can't believe they're doing that to people. Like, I hope nobody falls for this stuff. Think he just took the money?
There might be a possibility like we are not like putting a blame on that person, that yeah, there might be chances like he took the money from your account, and by not giving you that information that I took the money from your tax account and I filed your income tax less. There might be a possibility, and at this point of time, even if you go and contact him stating that or blaming him that hey, you did the mistake and you took some money from my tax account, I got a call from CRA, instead of accepting the mistake, he will put all the blame on you. The reason behind, if he comes to know that we have all the rights and authority, the government have all the rights and authority to start with the legal procedure under that person's name by taking him in a federal custody, putting him behind the bars, even canceling the license, even charging him with a penalty amount more than $20,000 to $30,000. So to go ahead and save himself, he will put all the blame on you, sir. That you will be the only person who will be responsible for your tax mistakes, sir.
And I'm responsible for it, I guess, like no one else is. So what do I do? What do I do, man?
See, sir, the reason I called you today because when I got your case paper, I did a background check on your name, and after doing that, I found out that you are a good person, you are a genuine person, you never been picked up, or there is no criminal records out for your name. I mean to say you are a law-abiding citizen. Am I right, sir?
I mean, I think I do. I might have a charge from a while ago when I was younger, but I mean, yeah, I try to be a good person.
Yeah, that is the reason I thought I should give you a call and make you informed that why a good person like you, Matthew, was trying to commit an offense. Like, be honest with me. So, like, have you done this thing intentionally? You thought that CRA would never be getting the information that yeah, I'm like trying to save the money in your taxes.
What should I do? Like, should I run? Like, should I just not pay, or like, how do I make this right?
See, at this point of time, Matthew, I can see that CRA have already put the money as a loss and to be stolen by you and press criminal charges against your name. There are 3 criminal allegations out for your name, sir. Count 1, violation of federal income tax. Count 2, malicious uttering of a commercial instrument. And count 3, trying to do a tax fraud and trying to cheat the government in your tax account. If you really have a good intention to go ahead and take care of this matter, Matthew, then I can do one thing for you. I can go ahead and talk to my senior treasury officer from the income tax court. I can try to speak to them and try to talk to them. By looking to your past record, if they give you the last and final opportunity, then only you can go ahead and pay this money off. But I cannot give you any promise or any assurance. So, Matthew, do you want me to go ahead and talk to my senior officer for you?
How long will that take?
Just like to a moment, sir.
Please, yeah, could you? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, thank you. What a piece of shit.
Okay, thank you for holding a line. You there, Matthew?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, like, can you switch off your speakerphone now?
Yeah, I'm off the speakerphone now.
I just spoke to my senior officer about you, and what they told me is that like they want to have a conversation with you. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and connect this call to one of my senior officer for you. Okay?
Okay, should like which? Okay.
Call for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is Officer John Davenport, ID number 12699. How can I help you today?
I was just connected to you by one of your officers saying I needed to talk to you.
Yes, can I know your name? What's your name?
He 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 has all my information. No, it's Matt. Oh, please.
All right, I'm talking to Matthew, right?
Yes, that's me.
All right, and I believe my officer have explained you each and everything about the case, right?
He said I needed to speak with you. What do I do?
Yes, so let me just go ahead and just make sure everything is being explained to you perfectly before we go ahead and discuss about this, okay?
Okay.
So I believe my officer have explained you each and everything about this case in detail, correct?
I just spent like 20 minutes on the phone with them. It's pretty clear.
I'm asking you a simple question. Did you got everything what he explained you? What is this case is all about? Do you understand that or you don't understand that?
I understand, sir.
Yes. And I also believe he have explained you the legal consequences which will happen once the case goes to court, right?
I understand.
Correct. So now what do you want to do exactly? What is your intentions are?
I don't want to go to court. I don't want to be charged.
See, as if now, your payment option is already closed, okay? And second thing is that the CRA is not at all looking for your money. They want to file the lawsuit against your name, take you to court, make you found guilty, and make you pay the penalty of $25,000 in court. These are the legal consequences. But if you have a one last chance, then we can go ahead and do one thing for you. There is an option which is called an OOCR, which stands for an out-of-court restitution, where you will be given a one last chance to take care of this matter outside the court. Okay?
How do I do that?
See, for that, first of all, the amount which you owe is $4,964.32. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So this is the amount which is pending on your name. So do you have this money with you in order to take care of this matter?
I might be able to ask if I can borrow some. I don't have all of it.
How much you have exactly with you?
Maybe 1,500?
Alright, so do one thing. Hold the line, okay? Let me go ahead, let me talk to the Attorney General first. Let me explain them about your situation and your problem. And let me see if they can give you a chance, then how they will accept your payment, okay?
Please do.
Okay, just hold the line.
What bullshit.
Alright, thanks for your patience over there, Matthew.
Okay.
Alright, can you give me your cell phone number? Because right now we need to talk to you on your cell phone.
Why?
Because basically I spoke to the Attorney Generals, I've explained them about your situation and your problem, and I told them that you need a one last chance to take care of this matter. So what they are saying is that they are going to give you one last chance, okay? But there are 3 conditions which you need to follow.
Okay.
Condition 1, you need to be online on this recorded phone call until and unless you take care of this matter. you don't need to disconnect the phone call, because once you disconnect the phone call, the non-bailable arrest warrant will be issued and the officers will arrest you
Oh my.
and help you.
Like, are they coming right now?
They're on the way to arrest you, sir. So I want you to leave the place where are you right now. So I need your cell phone number so that we can be in touch with you all the time until and unless we cancel the arrest warrant on your name.
I'm kind of in like a little bunker. I don't think they'll get me. There's like 5 people that they have to get in front of in order to come into my area because it's locked. Like, it's not available to the general public. So I think I'm okay.
Then how are you going to take care of this then? Because you need to go out right now in order to go ahead and purchase the tax vouchers. If you want to take care of this matter outside the court, you need to have to purchase tax vouchers so that you can take care of this matter.
Where do I get tax vouchers though? Like, where do I go for them?
You can get it to your nearest store like Walmart, any pharmacy.
And I just ask for vouchers?
I will give you that details step by step. First of all, give me your cell phone number so that I can call you in your cell phone number and you can leave from the place where are you right now and you can head toward the stores.
But I only have $1,500. Like, I can't even afford all the vouchers.
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and purchase the $1,500 vouchers so that we can put your case on hold and we can cancel the arrest warrant, and the remaining balance we can give you a payment plan.
Okay. And then, so I buy $1,500 vouchers and then I'm on the payment plan for the rest? How long do I have?
You have 6 months.
Oh, I can't afford that in 6 months. I've got to buy diapers.
See, that is the max what we can do for you.
What if I don't do the max?
Then you will be getting arrested and you can deal it in court. Very simple.
Hey, listen, why don't you take your make-believe fucking police and your piece of shit call center and fuck right off, you piece of shit?
Sorry?
I said, why don't you take your make-believe cops, your make-believe CRA badge numbers? Huh. Unbelievable. I can't believe they're doing that to people. Like, I hope nobody falls for this stuff. I think he just